Well, the snow means high school football playoffs are on hold tonight.
Yeah, the top seeded teams are on a bye week, but all the other teams, well, they had to adjust. We stopped by Denver's All-City Stadium today, and clearly no games were going to be played here. The field of the bleachers blanketed with snow. Your reporter, Jasmine Arenas, is our Football Friday reporter, and she'd planned to cover Erie versus Overland tonight. That game will happen tomorrow. She talked with the coach and team captain about the switch.
I guess we kind of talked about it yesterday, and it just is what it is. You know, you don't have any control over it.
Just going to take it one day at a time. Coach Geiger said it yesterday at practice, and I honestly, it didn't even come across my mind. It was just like yesterday could have been our last practice of my high school career, and an extra day to watch film, extra day to just kind of get your mind right for the game instead of just kind of rushing it and knowing you're going to play in the conditions you are today.
I like the way he's taking things
Yeah, it's a
in.
good approach.
Very mature. Most games have been rescheduled until tomorrow, but that can change based on the weather.